Hello YouTube. This is a special video because I'm in a special car. As you see, I'm in a right-hand drive Japanese Nissan Skyline 1991 R32. This car is amazing, but I have a little problem right now. Yep, my headlights are not working. Well, it works, kind of works. One and the other, left or right. On the high beam it's left, on the low beam it's right, or it's messed up. And just to show you a little bit on how I cracked open this little guy, and this is a very painful process. It's really hard to open this thing, and you can just like pry this little cover, but it won't unveil underneath those parts in there. So you have to take that part open and crack it open. So what I first is put my thumb right there, my finger over there, and pushing up as I'm pulling the tab, so it unclips, and doing pretty much the same thing on the other side, except I leave the screwdriver in there, and I go with another one on the side over here and pushing that way, always pushing some pressure under that part, pushing up. Once it's kind of stay open, then you walk your way onto this side, which has four clip pretty close to each other, which makes it very difficult to pop that open. You will want to pry from this side a little bit, but once it starts to unclip this one and this one by pressing this way, and you kind of leave a screwdriver in there, and you pry until it stay like halfway open, and then you will insert from this side. And this is just a bolt that I've screwed in there, a larger one that is made to hold into place the plastic cover around the steering wheel. So you just stick that in there and just screw it tight, so you have something to pull, you know. So once you have unclipped, you might need like a second person to help you out. I did it myself. It was a painful process, but I got it. Now on the inside, you just have to taking care of the little contact over there. Don't know if you can see, probably not, but there is a metal part over there that needs to be cleaned, which enter in contact with these little connection, which you see having a lot of crap, grease and stuff in there. So this is one of the main issue. Then you have these little push button, or however you want to call it. So this moves, okay? And on the inside of that box, so this box itself needs to be open. And I might show you on another video, like the magic of how you open this up. And you have a few tabs that you need to pry that open, and you need to carefully doing this, otherwise you're just gonna destroy everything. It's gonna be messed up, and you won't be able to drive the car at night. So be gentle if you're doing this yourself. Don't go crazy with those old plastic. I suggest you to spray WD-40 prior to trying everything, just in case that it might clean get in there, and just by wiggling and just trying to make it work. It sometimes you just giving it a little tap from the side or underneath and wiggle, turn it on and off. And sometimes it's the light knob, the turning knob on the right there. Sometimes it's that part that can be messed up, but if it's this one, you won't have any light at all. So this is it for today. You see how the car has have a really hard life, but it's like a new. I love my car. This is my favorite car ever, and I won't give up. See you, gang.